Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new star holo for free and fix it without doing any quest. So in this latest update, the game added a brand new VIP holo cosmetic that you can claim instantly using a redeem code. First, just tap on the red card icon on your screen, and then after that, just scroll all the way down until you find the redeem code sections like this. And then next, just type this code exactly like this. 500 K underscore cool underscore FXCB like this, and then next just tap on redeem, and then you will get this star holo like this. And but if in mind, this item only works for Roblox VIP members, so if you don't have VIP, you can still claim it, but you won't be able to equip or use the holo in game. And in here I can't fully show it in game because I'm not a VIP member, but this is what it really looks like. The holo has a cool star shaped designs above your character like this. And yeah, that's how you can get this free star holo in Visit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.